Burning fast, sparks ignite the sky, chasing dreams as days go by. Through the dark, the fire burns, round we go as the world turns. In the night, we hear the call, rise above, we'll never fall. Heartbeats loud, a steady drum, find the light, here we come. We are stars in this wide galaxy, shining bright.
Hello, welcome to Automotive Mayfair. Sorry about the dog next door. He loves to have a little bit of a yap. Today I'm going to be doing these, as you can see, up nice and close. The nice carbon fibre blue. Going to be going on the brim. We're going to change them out and yeah, get that looking nice and good. So let's get into it. So basically you just got to pull the clips off. I need a screwdriver for that. So we're going to do that. As you can see, they just pop off. These spring clips are pretty loaded, as you can probably see here. So you want to be careful when you're pulling them off, because bang, they'll fly off. Do the bottom first. Simple as that. One in. Now let's do it on the next one. It's literally that easy of a job. But, as you can see, it just gives it that little bit more fanciness to it. So thanks for watching. I've got something here very special. Give me a sec. So this is the new intake. This is nearly there. So I'm just going to make the airbox up now. So it will go here and here, and then a little bit over the top. This is going to sit like this, obviously deeper in there, and then yeah, happy days. So obviously the airbox is going to, it needs to be for legalities, obviously, so that's what we'll do. We're going to do that. So thanks for tuning in to another one of our videos, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.